Last night I got home to this water heater leaking. It looks like it's leaking from inside that thermostat box. Went ahead and shut off the gas, turned off the thermostat. Go ahead and remove that box. So first thing I did, shut off the water going into the water heater. Connected a hose to that valve down there to empty out the water heater. This one has a screwdriver. Starting to drain. Alright, so I went ahead and disconnected the gas from the thermostat. Gotta pull these out, these wires. I just pull out like that. I'm gonna start disconnecting these. All you need is a crescent. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I got my lines off and I covered them in plastic so they won't get full of water, just in case there's like water in there. My thermostat actually have an adapter for my gas line, so I'm actually going to use that as leverage so I can take off the thermostat. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn counterclockwise already. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the thermostat counterclockwise. And I'm gonna use this as leverage too. Here it goes. There it goes. Can turn it on my hand. So I don't know if you can see that there's a hole in the back part of the thermostat, of the actual the part that measures the temperature. It was allowing water to go in through there and leak in through the actual thermostat box. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. All right, so I went ahead and found a part exactly like mine at an appliance repair shop. You know, they had an old one, and I'm not just gonna repair the whole unit. What I did is I switched the actual the housing, the back housing of the unit. But just so you can see how I took it apart, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. The flat screwdriver. Take off the little screw on the bottom of the thermostat. And you got these little snaps. Just kind of like press downward so they can come loose. Pop them out. And what you want to do is disconnect the wire from the computer board here, and it just pops out. And it only goes in one way, so when you put it back, it's simple. You just slide it out of its thing there, and then to take out the gas valve, the actual gas valve, take a little screwdriver. It's actually a star, one of those star screws. I actually got a small screwdriver that can actually fit. It's not on that tight. Unscrew that, and then you got these clips on the side of it. Found it easier if you just get this one first and pop it out, and then you get the next one over here close to where the gas goes in. Get that clip, and it pops out, and it just slides out. So there it is. All I did was switch the one from the old one and put it on mine, and we'll see how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Teflon on the threading. Put it counterclockwise. I'm also going to use some of this sealant. It's a multi-use sealant. You can use it on gas pipes, metal, PVC. I'm just going to just lightly coat it. I want to start screwing it in. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use a screwdriver as leverage. I'm going to put it right there on the adapter that's right there, and give it a good turn until it tightens up pretty good. I'm thinking I'm just going to give it a last tightening with the screwdriver, and that's going to be it. So I got my screwdriver, and I'm inserting the adapter down here and give it its final turn. Get down here and give it its final turn. And there it is. All right, so everything's back together. I checked the couplings for gas leaks, and looks like everything's good. Got a little gas leak there that I'm gonna have to tighten it up. But other than that, there's no more leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off my unit so we can tighten up that gas leak. Well, I hope you liked the video, and thank you. So here it is. The job is done. Looks like there's no leaks anymore, no more water leaks. Went ahead and checked all my lines, my gas lines. Some soapy water. It looks like everything's good. The lines under the thermostat. Got those hooked up, and it looks like there's no leaks down there. So I went ahead and turned on my pilot water heater on, and it looks like everything's good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps out. Thank you.